I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 12th of April. And we say this a lot, but it's really true. Weather like this makes our job pretty simple. In the short term, at least. Let's take a look, and what a beautiful day. Bright sunshine coming from Mount Cheehaw. On a spring afternoon, readings there are in the 70s, but many spots have hit 80 today. Let's go down south. How about the Alabama Gulf Coast? That is a look at the Gulf of Mexico as seen from the Skycam down at Dauphin Island at the southern tip of Mobile County. Not a cloud in the sky. And Demopolis, looking out from the Demopolis Civic Center right down the Tombigbee River, looks very, very nice. Ridging is the story today. It's going to stay the story for a while. Big trough out west, but that will be shunted north, so the weather stays quiet for a while. Around the nation, temperatures are pretty mild. Really hard to find any extremely cold weather around the continental United States. We got 70s on up into parts of South Dakota. And again, our afternoons will stay warm all week long. Around here, the warm spot Tuscaloosa, they've got 82 at 2 o'clock. Birmingham and Anniston sitting at 80. Looks like highs for the rest of this week should be mostly in the low 80s. Watch warning map. Eastern half of the nation quiet as could be. While a few wind advisories are seen out west and even out there, not too much happening despite that big trough coming in. There's our rain for the next 5 days. Nothing here. Heaviest rain, Texas and Oklahoma. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. We'll go through the modeling quickly. Won't take a lot of time here. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock on Tuesday. Ridging keeps us warm and dry. The trough out west is lifting north. Wednesday, you can see the energy from the western trough headed up toward Canada. Ridge holds firm here, sunny and warm. Same thing on Thursday, 582 ridge right on top of us. Winds aloft are light and variable. Low 80s, maybe mid-80s for the western side of the state. And Friday, the ridge begins to break down, and let's take a look at the surface chart. You can see that there's a front north of us. Some evidence of maybe a few isolated showers over Tennessee and Kentucky. We'll call it partly sunny here, leave out any chance of rain. And then Saturday, energy from Canada digs down into the northeast United States. And at the surface, you can see we've got a surface low that's just east of Long Island with a trailing front down through Nashville and Springfield, Missouri. And that will mean a risk of showers Saturday afternoon. Will it rain a lot? No, but it could rain some Saturday. Just keep that in mind. No washout, but we will mention a chance of showers. And then Sunday, that front dissipates and cooler air filters in, so high should be about 10 degrees cooler, dropping back down into the low 70s. Monday of next week, still dry. Let's dig a little deeper. Go to the 22nd of the month. Now, this perhaps could be a little more of an active period. You can see a trough developing out west. We got a broad southwest flow here. And that looks like a wide open Gulf of Mexico with a surface low developing on the lee of the Rockies. So, again, that might be the next decent chance of rain out there in about, 10, 11 days from now. At least widespread rain. At the end of the forecast on the 28th, the flow is picking up a bit. There's a strong vortex over eastern Canada. A vortmax shows up in the base of a trough over the east. And, again, that looks dry with cooler air dropping in here, but maybe we'll pick up a decent rain event later in the month, but again, we don't see any major sign of any severe weather issues at this point. Very interesting for this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.